back to it on the Free Runner. Went ahead and I pulled out the 2 front seats. It's difficult trying to get stuff done just because you know, with work during the week, it's like, well, what can I do that's not gonna take up too much time, but I can still get a decent amount of stuff done. We're actually getting somewhere. Not intended for carpet, upholstery, or suede. The entire time. I've been using this and this foam the entire time. I don't think those seats have been cleaned in like ever. Baby steps every day. A little bit of work every day. We are 1 step closer on the Free Runner